Okay, in this one we will be doing R for the PC. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking for the R statistical package. So I'm just going to do a search for the R statistics download, the project for statistical consulting. We will download from the CRAN. We'll go down to United States because it'll be faster. And then we've got KU. Don't know why KU has it and we don't, but oh well. Download R for Windows. We'll go ahead and use that one. R 3.5.1. R tends to work better on PCs, so we'll see how it goes here. This isn't a true PC, this is a Mac running Windows, so it could have issues that I'm not aware of, but I've run R on this computer before, so we should be okay. I'm going to keep that at no. We'll keep that there. All right, so that installed R, but what we want to do is we also want to do RStudio. It just allows us a easier interface. We're going to download the free one for Windows 7, 8, and 10. So we open that up, we click yes. And this might take a minute. Okay, that should be all we need to download to get this baby running. So let's go to Start. We're going to go to All Programs, and I want RStudio. I'm going to click on that. So the regular R will only have this part on it. So if I open R, you can see it just has that piece on it, and it's not quite as nice of a user interface. This one, on the other hand, gives us an idea of the packages that we might have or not have. And the package that I want to install, so we go to install here, is rcmdr. And we want to make sure we install dependencies. This process could take a second or longer. We won't have to do at least this part again. And so once RStudio has the packages loaded into it, you don't have to do it again. And so this is really a first time startup. And the reason that we're doing our commander will be fairly evident when I show you here in a second, because what it does is it gives us a nice user interface. Not quite as robust as SPSS, but in the same vein that we should be able to do most of the stuff that we're doing in this class through our commander, which is more of we don't have to write as much code. And I think writing the code is what scares people the most. So we're just going to bypass that using the R Commander interface. Seem to have hit a snag, so are we still working? Seems like it's still working. If it's not still working, we'll end up with a greater than sign right here and a blinking cursor, so I think it's still trying to work out something. And we can see that RCommander doesn't show up in our list of packages yet, so it's still doing its thing. I'm going to go ahead and pause so that you don't have to watch this work forever. Okay, so we finally got to a point where this thing is done adding in all those wonderful packages that are going to make our life easier. So if I go down here to RCommander and I click on it, it's going to go ahead and load that up, and eventually it will pop up. Yes. Okay, so we're going to load some more packages. Again, this is only going to happen the first time that we use it. And here's RCommander. So RCommander is going to then allow us to use this rather than typing in code to import data, to do summary statistics, do ANOVAs, do t-tests, those kinds of things. So it's just an easier way for us to get to what we were looking for. Once this is established, we're done for the day, and then we will start up the next time, maybe looking at how to do some smaller analyses with the group designs. That's it.